Welcome to the ValveLink license activation tutorial. We'll guide you through activating your Fisher ValveLink software license step by step for a smooth setup. Because it's your first request for a ValveLink license, when you will launch ValveLink for the first time, a message will appear. Click OK to open the license wizard. To get started, please fill in your contact information. Enter your full name, your company, your country, and a valid email address. This allows us to connect with you and provide the best possible service. Make sure all fields are accurate before moving on. Once completed, click Next. If you're not using a hardware key, select Generate License using software licensing and click Next. Please enter the Emerson order number or the serial number of the product that is linked to the corresponding order. Then click Next. Here, two choices appear. You will have to click Save to export the registration form. Save it to your desktop or in another file. Then click Save. To get your temporary license key for ValveLink, click on Temporary License and then click Finish. This message confirms that your temporary license has been created. Click Finish to close the wizard. You will need to email this address: valvelink.registration@emerson.com. This email is provided here to submit the file and obtain your permanent license. Fisher processes requests within 48 hours. Check your inbox for a file named License Key File. Save it to your computer. Open the ValveLink License Wizard again. Click on ValveLink License Wizard. In the wizard software, click on Enter License Key to load your new permanent license. Here you will need to click on Import from File to load the license key you received by email or type it in manually. In this case, we double-click on the document license key to import it. Then click on Next. Your license status will now show as Licensed. Your ValveLink software is now successfully activated and ready to use.